Are you manually exporting customers because the WooCommerce integration seems impossible to find in Klaviyo? Connect your store in about 2 minutes with these 7 steps. We'll click into Integrations, search for WooCommerce, and connect it in just a handful of clicks. No code or confusion. All right, let's get started by clicking on Integrations from your Klaviyo dashboard. From there, go ahead and click on Explore Apps to browse the available integrations. In the search box, type in just the word Woo to narrow things down. Then, click on WooCommerce from the suggested apps that pop up. Before installing, you can watch the tutorial steps first if you'd like. Click Install. Finally, click on Connect to WooCommerce. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.